Hello everyone. In today's video, we put Huawei's two latest smartwatches, the Watch GT5 and GT5 Pro, head to head. Both watches are stylish, powerful, and have a long battery life. But if you had to choose just one, which one would be the right choice for you? Let's take a look together. At first glance, the two watches look very similar, but when we dig into the details, we can clearly see that they appeal to different target audiences. GT5 has a lighter body. It comes with an aluminum alloy case and silicone strap options. It weighs around 55 to 60 grams and feels quite comfortable on the wrist. GT5 Pro is equipped with more premium materials. With a stainless steel frame, ceramic back, sapphire glass display, and a choice of titanium or leather straps, it's both stylish and durable. In terms of material quality, the GT5 Pro clearly stands out. On the display side, both models feature a 1.43-inch AMOLED panel of the same size with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. They offer extremely clear and vivid images. However, the GT5 Pro's screen is slightly brighter and one step ahead in terms of color saturation. We can say that the Pro model has stronger screen visibility under the sun. Battery life is one of Huawei's most prominent features. GT5 can last between 10 and 14 days in normal use. In heavy use, it can go down to 7 days. GT5 Pro takes battery performance a little further. It can comfortably last up to 14 days with smart energy management. If you use ultra modes, it is possible to get up to 20 days. For long trips or when the charger is far away, the Pro model is definitely advantageous. Both models are well equipped for health and sports tracking. They come with heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, stress measurement, sleep tracking, breathing exercises, and more than 100 exercise modes. There's also automatic exercise recognition and daily activity summaries. But here too, the GT5 Pro stands out with a few extra features. In particular, it supports dual-frequency GNSS for more precise GPS tracking during outdoor activities. Functions for more extreme sports, such as diving mode, are also exclusive to the Pro model. In terms of smart features, both watches support Bluetooth calling, music control, and notification display. Android and iOS compatibility is good. However, the GT5 Pro's larger internal memory and slightly faster processor make for a smoother overall experience. And the price? The GT5 offers a more affordable option and is more than enough for everyday users. The GT5 Pro is a bit more expensive, but in return it offers better quality materials, more durability, and enhanced outdoor features. All in all, if you want a stylish smartwatch but aren't into extreme sports, the GT5 will be more than enough. But if you need advanced features for hiking, diving, precise GPS tracking, etc., the Watch GT5 Pro has a lot more to offer. It's up to you. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.